I am D.
And I'm C.
And this is
DC High.
welcome back to the Lighthouse building adventure. So, just to recap, what are you doing behind me? So now we got the bridge done. I've pre-laid out how this lighthouse, the walls are going to be. This is obviously going to be a door. While I'm working on building the walls, C is going to be laying the floor down, as you can see. But before I can get started, I have to create the walls, which we're going to use concrete powder and some dye. Let's see, let's switch this back so I can see. Yes, we're going to be using red to start off. So I need... that should be good for right now. If I need more, I can make more. Now let's get back over here, and then we're going to start off. Let me just get this stuff ready for myself.
I'm just a little short on wood.
Dang, I gave you 2 stacks. Wow. Alright, I have more. There you go. Just pay attention to how much you use, because I gave you 2 stacks, and see how much more it's going to take. So I'll know when we go get more, how much more to get.
2 stacks plus 10.
Good call. That's a lot.
130.
Alright. 2 stacks and 10 more. That's a lot.
When are you going to start the spiral?
I don't know. Yeah, this is actually going to be... Not only is it going to be red, but it's going to have a blue, like, spiral going around it in some way, somehow. I don't know. I'm sure it's going to be an adventure, just like the bridge was. I'm not sure if we're going to do it, like, 4 wide or 5 wide, since 5 seems to be the common number in this. It's like starting on, like, one of these sides, and then going up, and then starting to twist it that way. I don't know. I don't know if 5 will be too much, or you can go... You think 5 will be too much?
Yeah, because you've got to slowly take the way up.
Yeah, because you can offset it. Like, once you go up, you can offset it 1.
The bad thing about concrete powder is you can't make it float.
No, it's not going to float. It'll be actually a part of the wall.
I know, but when you're coming in...
Yeah, it's going to stack in. Like, it's a basic design. I don't know if I want to start, like, the stripe on this side. I mean, I'd love to start it on the front of the building, but I don't think it's going to work. I think it'll look better coming off the side and then coming around about midway around the front. So we could say that this side could be where the stripe could start. I don't know. I feel like 5's too much, though.
I would only do it 1.
1? You want to do 1 block? 1 block going around?
Yeah.
1 block. Just 1 singular block of color. Striping around is going to look thin. I'm talking about it being 5 stacked. 5, 5, 5. 5 wide. It'd be 5 wide and like 4 high, I believe. I'd like to go 4, but where these sides are 5, I can't get 4 in there. What, can I put 4 in the middle? Actually, you can. You can put 4 right in the middle. Is that... Wait a minute. Is this off count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is off. My count's off. Besides this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one's off somehow. Oh, I see the problem. It should be... Yeah. It should be this. Okay. There. It should be like that. You can do 3. 3 is right in the middle of it. We have to go with 3. Let me just finish this up. Let's do the first row. You want to do it like that?
No, just do it however you think.
Yeah, I was going to do it 3 going up 4 for the full level of this. And then once we hit the next floor, it twists with it. It should work. I don't know. I may have to look at pictures too. But, well, I mean, we can always come back and add it in whenever. Yeah, because this is going to go up, I believe it's 4 levels. It's 4 levels up.
Let's experiment.
Okay. So you experiment. I'll go ahead and add the next row. I think it's the first time we've ever really messed with concrete powder, too.
It's because I don't like it.
I mean, I know it operates the same as like
Sand.
sand, and
You can't do a lot with it.
no. I'll just come over. Let's see. I mean, it can't float or anything. It breaks easy, but I mean, we don't anticipate anything crazy happening here. This isn't like a home front or something. I wouldn't do it a single row. I'd make it thicker than one line. I'd do a couple up, and then a couple over, and then a couple, and 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 a couple, all the way to the top. So anyways, like I said, it could always be something we can come back and just replace. Maybe, I don't know. I just want to get this first level done so I can figure out what I want to do off camera. That's only going to be the only bad part. We'd have to add something else right here. Add that block right there for now. No, up right here. Because this would be literally be the door. I can add this dirt block for now. Just for right there. God dang it. I hate that. And I'm what, up 3 now? Ooh. And this is supposed to go up 4 blocks per floor is how this is this blueprint was laid out. Let's see here. Am I back to the beginning? Yes, I am. And that's 3. So now I'd be on. I'm gonna leave that spot open for now. Come through here. Dang it. That's the only bad part. It's when you fall. And oh no, I'm out. Go make a little bit more. Ouch. Is that 1, 2, 3, 4? Yeah, that's 4. Okay. And go make some more over here. Run back. Make Yeah, just make another stack of it, because we're obviously going to use it. And stair step my way back up here. Boom, 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 boom. I mean, I like the color that concrete powder puts off, but like I said, it's tricky to use. If you can pull it off, it'll look good. There you go. Yeah, so you can add some lightage, and then now up here would we add? Well, obviously, I don't have enough, but
Oh, and if you want windows, you have to place them as you're going.
yeah, that's also a thing we're at the plan. But the good thing about this design is it's floor by floor. So you can kind of plan as you go. Alright, you got that side. I'll come over here on this side. Let's move our temporary steps for a second. I'm just going to outline it. Because we know we don't have enough. Now that we found it, it's 2 stacks plus 10. And then we'd fill in all of this, and that would be the first row of this. I can go ahead and empty out what I got while we have time left. Dang it, I brought a lot with me too. That was what the crazier part was. I didn't even think about the floor though. I thought about the roof, or the, whatever you want to call it, the ceiling here. I forgot about what we had to use it on the floor. So now all we need is a nice door to put on this. And there's the first level. Like I said, we'll figure out how to do this stripe off camera, and then when we come back, we know what the heck we're doing. As we continue on, I believe that this blueprint is 7 stories or 7 floors tall. So this is only floor number 1. So that means there's 6 more floors to go. So it will be a good height. Oh yeah, it'll definitely be really tall. And like I said, on the top floor where the light goes, we're actually going to do it's the redstone lights, the block lights, where you have to use the redstone to activate it, or red dust to actually activate the coloring of it. And we're going to try it out. I've been looking at the blueprints for that as well, where you have to lay it out in a certain pattern. And if you do it correctly, the lights will actually flash around it, if you do it right. So at the top, like this little section right here will be nothing but like the redstone lights. And then here, and I think it'll be here, and then here. And then as it goes around, it would flash all these lights in unison. And it go around in a pattern. And it should be pretty neat. At least we're going to try to. I'm not sure. I don't know. I haven't really messed with this. But yes, here is the first floor of the Lighthouse. Building Adventure. Where am I at? There I am. Alright, yeah, like I said, we're going to figure out the striping, how we're going to do this. And then obviously when we come back, we'll start on the second floor. And all that fun stuff right here on
DCI.
on Minecraft.